So ChatGPT is the future, and it's an open AI, and it's the best so far we have right now, and that is basically very cool. So this open AI allows you to do anything, search the web, and then also make you get some articles or even do a lot of researches, which is actually going to blow your mind. You can actually search for any search term on this AI app or website, and then it's actually going to produce you a very cool result. So I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to use this, and already I've been able to write an article with this, and I was quite shocked, trust me. So let's just dive into the video and see how this works. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your browser and you're going to search for ChatGPT right here. So you type in ChatGPT, and it's actually a trending topic, so you would actually see it in the search sections right here, and then you tap on go to search for it on Google. So you're going to see these ones right here. This is not it, there's also not that one, and then also this is the one we are looking for, openai.com. so you tap on it like this. I'm actually going to leave the links in my description for you guys to be able to just find it very easily. So this is the website for the ChatGPT, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see it right here. Try it now. So you're going to tap on it, and it's actually going to bring you to this screens right here, and then it's going to ask you to either sign up or log in. So you tap on this one, the login, and then you are going to log in with your email. That is what I used, so it's actually going to be very helpful for you. So you're going to log in with your email, and that is pretty much very cool. Let me just log in and then come back. So once you are done logging in, this is the interface you are going to see, and then you tap on next, and then you tap on next here, and then you tap on next, and then you're going to see something like this. You can tap on this section to see how it looks like. You can change to dark mode, and then you're going to have this interface, and then you can change to light mode like you have, and that is pretty much very cool. You can choose to join their Discord. In case you are a fan of Discord, you can just join the Discord and then get yourself updated anytime any update is being released. So this is what the AI is actually capable of doing, and you can see right here examples, and then also capabilities, what it can do, and then its limitations. So its capability, it can remember what user said earlier in a conversation, and also allows you to provide follow-up corrections, and then also trained to decline inappropriate requests. And trust me, I've encountered all these three right here, and I was really shocked. And then what limitations you're going to get is may generate incorrect information. So when you do it, you should actually read through anything you actually assign this AI to do for you, and also may occasionally produce harmful instructions and biased content, which I've not yet seen any of that sort. And then limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. So I actually saw one limitation, that was it not being able to recognize Elon Musk as the owner of Twitter lately. I'm sure maybe later it would actually be upgraded or updated, and that is pretty much very cool. So what I did, and then I was already shocked, was this one right here. So OnePlus, which is actually a smartphone company or a brand, and then I did versus Google Pixel. You're gonna see with your eyes, it's super cool. Okay, and then it's actually going to start generating the article for you, so you can see this is it. It's super crazy, right? It's super fun. So after it's done writing all these, and then you are cool with it, you are going to be able to just copy this right away and then paste it on your blog or your website, and you're going to get a cool article right here, which is super cool. All you need to do next is get some pictures which are going to back your article up, and it's actually going to be very great for you. You can search anything, not just this. So let me share with you the limitations I also saw. That is who is the owner of Twitter. Right, so recently we got to know that Elon Musk actually purchased Twitter. So you can see it says conversation not found, and that is one thing which I spoke about earlier that I didn't see it. So that is basically very cool. So we can actually just get this thing to do a lot of things for us. Let's check this one right here, make money online. And then you guys are going to see the article this is actually going to write for me. So not only articles, you can search for anything you feel like you want. I'm going to tap on this, and then it's going to show you directly how you're going to be able to make money online. So it's going to tell you to start a blog or a website, monetize it through advertisements or affiliate marketing and all that. Amazon, eBay is going to give you a list of them, and that is pretty much very cool. So this is going to give you a detailed thing rather than you going to website to just get everything searched or something, it's actually going to give you a detailed thing. And if you own a website, this is actually one of the best things you need to try in order to just get your messages to people. So if you're not content with whatever they've written right here, you can tap on this section right here, and it's going to rephrase everything for you again. And that is pretty much very cool. I really like this OpenAI app or ChatGPT. I think I like it. So in case you like this too, just like this video up and also subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot I'm going to share with you how this AI can be used in order to benefit us in our daily lives. And that is pretty much very cool. And I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.